Hi there. Finding the 5 best push-up stands reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Juperbsky Push-Up Stands Bars. The Juperbsky Push-Up Stands are some of the best push-up bars because they are extremely durable. They can support up to 2,200 pounds worth of weight, and you can perform numerous types of workouts with them, including gymnastics, handstands and V-sits. These push-up stands are a very unique pair of press-up bars compared to other options. They are very high up off of the floor, which increases the number of exercises that you do on them. They are 12 inches long and 7 inches wide, and they weigh 5.7 pounds combined. You can also get them in a slightly larger size. Just like any workout gear, the Juperbsky push-up stands have some cons, like the fact that it doesn't include a workout manual to give you a rundown of the possible exercises. I'm not loving that they don't break down into smaller pieces, so they're not the best option if you plan on traveling with your push-up bars. Number 2. Our second best pick is Perfect Fitness Push-Up Stands. I've placed the Perfect Fitness Perfect Push-Up Elite on this list of the best push-up bars because they have a highly ergonomic design. They rotate slightly in order to work more muscle groups with each lift, making them one of the most versatile options. They have a steel ball bearing system on the inside to make those rotations smooth and even. The bottoms of the handles have built-in treads for easy and secure floor adhesion, and they can withstand up to 400 pounds of weight. Unlike the previous push-up bars, these come with a workout chart included that was specially designed by the U.S. Navy SEALs. So if you're not sure where to start with your new push-up bars, referring to this chart will be super helpful. Since they weigh 4 pounds, these aren't the most portable push-up bars available. A big reason for this heavy design is the internal rotation system, so it's an easy flaw to overlook if you ask me. Number 3. Our third best pick is Aihoye Push-Up Bars. The Aihoye push-up bars belong on the list of the best push bars because they are sturdy and foldable. Yes, you read that right, you can fold up these press-up handles and take them with you everywhere. To top it off, they are lightweight and compact enough to throw in your gym bag, suitcase, or even purse. I love that the bars come with a nylon bag, which goes to show that these are truly designed with portability in mind. These bars have padded foam handles on the top and anti-skid pads on the bottom. The combined weight is a total of 1.43 pounds, which is much lighter than many push-up bars on this list. Similar to the previous ones, these are made from plastic, which explains why they're so lightweight and portable. Another flaw is the weight support. The manufacturer says that they can support 660 pounds, but I honestly doubt that's true. If you ask me, 300 to 400 pounds would be more accurate. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Elite Sportz Push-Up Bars. The Elite Push-Up Bars are on our list of the best push-up bars because they are made for comfort. While many people don't equate workouts with being comfortable, after all, you can't really build muscles if you're comfortable. You'll find that pressing up handles that are easy on the wrists can really prevent injuries and pain. The Elite push-up bars have handles with rounded edges so that you won't end up accidentally gouging your hands or wrists mid-workout. This is the main thing I love about them, and other reviewers seem to agree. Considering the low price, I was surprised to find that these rotate while you're doing your push-up bar workout. This definitely gives you more flexibility and some additional angles that allow you to hit multiple muscle groups at once. They come fully assembled and weigh 2.4 pounds. The grips could use some improvement in terms of padding, and the press-up handles could be sturdier. But the price is right, so no complaints there. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is KANSOON Portable Steel Push-Up Bars. The KANSOON steel push-up bars are some of the best push-up bars because they are made of sturdy metal and have ergonomic grips. Because of the metal construction, They support a large amount of weight, upwards of 400 pounds, so you don't have to worry about them breaking anytime soon. The KANSOON steel push-up bars are a great addition to any home gym. It's easy to adjust the angle in order to put less stress on your wrists or to change up the targeted muscle groups that you're working out. The handles are slip resistant and are coated in double foam, so your hands will stay comfy and won't slip from sweat or water. These push-up grips come in black and are made of alloy carbon steel. I personally thought that metal push-up bars would weigh much more than that, but these take up very little space and are easily carried around in a gym bag or suitcase. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.